Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy for learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Google Password Manager on Google Chrome web browser. So for this case we will go to the Google Chrome web browser. So see here the Google Chrome that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So click here. See the thing has here. So here the three dot icon, here the customize and control Google Chrome. So here what we will go, so we will go the passwords and autofill. So when we just keep the mouse on this written thing, so here we get Google Password Manager. So here also the key icon has been revealed. So here I will click. See here the thing. So here the password settings option. So here the password. So here the check password, if I click this, here the things compromised password, your password are unique, your passwords look strong. See all these thing password, that is the password checkup. So here if I will do the try again, so password two thing password has been, if I want to show, see here the thing has been here is trying to show password, type your Windows to allowed. So I will press this. See when I have given the Windows password, that has been shown. See the thing has been Facebook, this thing has been here. Now I will go, I will show the IEEE.org. so here the thing has also been this thing. So if I want to see here the show the password, here also I can copy the password, here also copy the username. See I will go the back. Now if I want to add something, see add any kinds of site, that site have username also password. If I want to take or give some information, that also I can do here, then I will save this. See now the settings I will go. So here the offer to save passwords and pass keys. So here I will, by default it has turned on, I have given off. Sign in automatically, that is off by default, or I have done it before, I can't remember right now. So I have on this. Here the import password to Google Password Manager, the things I can select the file. See I can import, export, add shortcut, delete all Google Password Manager data. See I can delete the thing. So in this way we can set up the Google Password Manager. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.